Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your LENOVO ThinkPlus XT92 so quiet? Firstly, I recommend to clean the grill. So remove ear tips from your left and right earbuds and clean right here the grill, make it slightly, and it can fix your problem. By the way, at this channel we have a video how to clean this earbud, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Okay, next step. Maybe the problem is that your earbuds just too old and maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem only for the one earbud, I have solution for you. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. So we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. Okay, so on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance right here, so you need to test it. We just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. Now, if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right. Again, you need to find a good balance here. We just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left. And that's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to the accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom in the settings. So we need to scroll down, enter to accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom you will find audio adjustment. Tap at this line, right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance here, so you need to move it and test it. We just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. And the same for the left. If you have the problem with the left one, just move this dot to the left. Again, you need to find a good balance, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!